Hey guys, this is Arnab and you are watching Digital Arnab. In the last video, we have discussed the business model of an e-commerce store and how everything works. If you have not checked that video yet, go check that out. The link is in the cards and in the description. Today, we're going to look at how to set up the processes for your e-commerce store, how to set up the right payment gateway, getting a good shipping partner for your store, and everything. So setting those up are pretty easy and absolutely free. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in.
Now you must be wondering, okay, I understood, but how to set up the e-commerce, how to set up the store, how to get a dropshipping supplier, how do I find a shipping partner, what are the documentation is, how do I get payment integrated, payment gateway integrated. So everything will be discussed in the next slide. So a e-commerce business, to set up an e-commerce business you need uh, only 5 things, right? Firstly, you need to set up your store, that is your website. Then you should find a shipping partner, because the shipping partner will only uh, collect the product from your dropshipping supplier, deliver to your customer, collect the cash from him, and deposit back to your bank account, right? How to get orders, how do you find payment gateway, and what documentations are actually required. So store setup is pretty much really easy with the help of a software, not actually a software, it's a web portal called Shopify. Shipping partner, I recommend using ShipRocket because I have actually uh, used this for a very long time, and I really have very good experience with them. Getting approval with ShipRocket is pretty easy. If you don't get approval within 2 to 5 days, you can contact me. I'll help you out because I have some contacts in ShipRocket. So, but ShipRocket has different couriers. Like this is a courier aggregator. It has ExpressBees, FedEx, Blue Dart, Delivery, eCart, etc. They give you good volume discount without any extra cost. Suppose you are having 200 orders, even if you are having 200 orders per month, that is pretty much doable without much effort. They will give you really good discount with shipping cost, and they give you approval when you actually sign up as a seller with ShipRocket. They give you approval pretty early, that is within 2 to 5 days. If you need faster approval, you can contact me. I have some contact in ShipRocket. Apart from ShipRocket, you can use Nimbus Post. This is also a courier aggregator. You can use Delivery. Apart from that, we have Vamaship and different other shipping partners like Picker and all. But I have till now used ShipRocket and I recommend using this. Now, how do you get the order? See, as your store is pretty much new and nobody knows about your store, you have to go to your customers. How to do that? Using Facebook ads. Instagram ads also comes within Facebook ads only. You can do Google ads, you can do search engine optimization, you can start influencer marketing. These are different channels to get orders from, and you will need a payment gateway to collect the prepaid orders from your customer. Prepaid orders as in, if a customer comes to your website and pays you via debit card or credit card or UPI or net banking. So with minimum documentation, PayU and Paytm gives you a faster approval. you probably need Aadhaar card, PAN card, saving or current account uh, for applying in PayU and Paytm. You can use cash free as well. I personally use Razorpay, but Razorpay actually has much more compliance. They will ask for current account and your GST documents. If you have that, you can definitely go for Razorpay. Razorpay is pretty much the best gateway in terms of e-commerce in Indian e-commerce. Now, you might be thinking which documents you will be needing to start your e-commerce journey. Well, you might wonder, you can pretty much start today only if you have your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, your saving or current account, and if you have your debit card or credit card or UPI, you are pretty much start your e-commerce store right here, right now, right today. Aadhaar and PAN are basic documentation which you will be using for shipping and payment partner sign up process. I mean, the ShipRocket and PayU or Razorpay will ask for those, that is Aadhaar or and PAN card. You will need your bank account to collect the payment of cash on delivery and prepaid orders. To run Facebook or Google ads, you will require a payment medium. If you have UPI or debit card or credit card, that is pretty fine, and you will be able to start your e-commerce store right today.
If you are doing proper business, get a Udyam registration done. It is completely free. You can do it by your own. Just search Udyam registration in Google. You will get a government website where you will have to fill up some informations like your name, address and all, and you will get the document within 2 to 3 days. That can be used while you set up for your payment gateways and your shipping partner registration, and that document is easy to get and you can start with that. That is optional, but in the long term, when you will actually have a proper business, this will actually help you out. I will leave the links of the websites in the description and in the resource sheet. If you have liked the video, hit the like button, share with the person who might be interested in e-commerce. In the next part, I'll bust some myths about e-commerce, and if you want to get notified about it, press the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. I have actually a free guide about how you can get even more sales by optimizing your store. It is a free guide, it is in the description, go check that out. So until next time, okay, tata, bye bye.